Let's talk about these centers for a bit. So that you can see them a little bit more clearly, I'm going to collapse this navigation pane by clicking the arrow on the top right-hand side of the pane to give us some more screen area. I'll keep it like this for the entire course. In order to make a complex process something that's easy to understand, QuickBooks has organized each process into a center. There's the vendor center, the customer center, the employee center, the company center, and finally, the banking center. Knowing this is the easiest way to find what you're looking for in QuickBooks. Even if you're not sure what the appropriate accounting term is, categorize what you're trying to do. Then, you can go and look for it in the appropriate center. In each center, there's basic tasks associated with what you might want to do in that particular category. For example, in the Customer Center, here is where I can easily find out where I need to go to create estimates, invoices, and enter payments that my customers give me. To get an actual list of your customers, there's two ways to do that. You can click the word Customers directly in the Customer Center itself. This is going to take you into the Customer Center. The other way to access it is by using the File menu. Click on the word Customers and then Customer Center. It's going to bring you to this exact same screen. Now that I'm in the Customer Center, here's where I can see all of my active customers on the left-hand side. I'm going to go over this in greater detail later. So for now, I'll click the X on the top right-hand side of the screen, and it's going to bring me back to the home page. You'll see that I can do the exact same thing to get a list of all my vendors. Vendors are people that I do business with. I can also do this to my employees if I have any. Of course, your company may not have any employees at all. This company only has 3. It's fine if you don't have any. I'll just click the X on the top right-hand side again, and you can just ignore this bottom section outright and still be able to use QuickBooks even if you don't have any employees. The Banking and Company Center are the only two that don't have a highlighted title bar that you can click on to access a particular center. But we will be going over all of the individual things that you can do here in later videos. This is just a glimpse of how to use each nice and organized center. Breaking it down like this into tasks and categories, like customers and vendors, can make it a little bit more manageable. QuickBooks is a huge program, but so is running a business. So breaking it down makes it manageable and easy to find what you're looking for.